Assalamu alaikum, I'm Salman Khan from Worldofitech. Welcome to HTML tutorial. HTML introduction. About our HTML tutorial. HTML tutorial or HTML5 tutorial provides basic and advanced concepts of HTML. Our HTML tutorial is developed for beginners and professionals. In our tutorial, every topic is given step by step so that you can learn it in a very easy way. If you are new in learning HTML, then you can learn HTML from basic to a professional level. And after learning HTML with CSS and JavaScript, you will be able to create your own interactive and dynamic website. But now, we will focus on HTML only in this tutorial. What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is the most widely used language on the web to develop web pages. HTML was created by Berners-Lee in late 1991, but HTML 3.0 was the first standard HTML specification, which was published in 1995. HTML 4.01 was a significant version of HTML, and it was published in late 1999. The HTML 4.01 version is widely used, but currently we are having the HTML5 version, which is an extension to HTML 4.01, and this version was published in 2012. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. Why learn HTML? HTML is the foundation of all web pages. Without HTML, you wouldn't be able to organize text or add images or videos to your web pages. HTML is the beginning of everything you need to know to create engaging web pages. A simple HTML document. Doc-type HTML. The meaning of doc-type HTML. The very first line in every web document should contain a doc-type HTML declaration, even though it's wrapped in angle brackets. It is not a text, but a statement. Doc-type stands for document type declaration. It informs the web browser about the type and version of HTML used in building the web document. This helps the browser to handle and load it properly. While the HTML syntax for this statement is somewhat simple, you must note each version of HTML has its own rules. Example explained. Doc-type HTML. The doc-type HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. HTML. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. Head. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. Title. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. Body. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. Heading 1. The heading 1 element defines a large heading. P. The P element defines a paragraph. What is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. For example, tag name, content goes here, and int tag. Heading 1 is the start tag. My first heading is the element content, and this is the int tag. Start tag, element content, int tag. Start tag, element content, int tag. Heading 1, my first heading, heading 1. Note, some HTML elements have no content like the BR element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an int tag. Open your code editor. We are using Visual Studio Code Editor. If you don't know about the Visual Studio Code Editor, then you can watch our videos about that. Procedure link in the description below, or you can visit to our channel, then click on the Visual Studio Code playlist and watch our videos about that, how to download and install Visual Studio Code, how to use, etc. Doc.tf HTML, HTML header, title, Worldofitech, int tag, heading 1, paragraph, right click, open in other browser, Google Chrome. My first heading, my first paragraph. The purpose of a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tags but uses them to determine how to display the document. HTML page structure. Note, the content inside the body section, the white area, will be displayed in a browser. The content inside the title element will be shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. HTML history, year, origin, you can see. This tutorial follows the most recent HTML5 standard. This is about the HTML introduction, and I really hope that you have learned something from this tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, then give a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, then give a thumbs down, and also share your opinion about this tutorial. What do you think about it? And if you think that this tutorial will help some of your friends, then do share this tutorial with them. And also you can subscribe to our channel if you want to watch more tutorials like this. And if you subscribe to our channel, then press the bell icon to get new tutorial updates. And feel free to leave us your suggestions in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in next tutorial.